Puerto Rico, Paul.
Hey, good morning, or good afternoon, Dr. Postel. Again, here in San Juan, we were here when the eye of Maria made landfall this morning around 6:15 this morning. We're about, 6 hours and counting, almost 7 hours since landfall, and we're still getting some strong gusty winds. Now, we were actually out here, then we had to go inside for a while because of things like this, pieces of debris flying off the roof. This is part of the HVAC system that's landed here in the pool. There's more down this corridor here in the parking lot. The good news is we were not even out here when those large items were coming off the roof. We had more small items flying around here. With the strong gusty winds, these things were really kind of taken off with a wind gust. The good news is the winds have come down a little bit. So the worst of the winds are over for this part of the island as Maria continues to move off to the north of west where I'm standing. Our winds, though, coming in behind the system, more from the southeast, at times almost south-southeast. So our wind direction has changed dramatically. This morning, the winds were coming in from the northeast. The hotel was kind of blocking us, and that's why we're safer back here until they started throwing debris and even air conditioning units off of the roof here. So we went inside. Now the winds are coming this way, a far safer direction for us to be back outside. But as far as I can see, there is no power. Portions of street lights and even street signs that are down in the streets there in the area. Well, again, the winds are not as strong as early this morning. They are still in that hurricane force wind gust range, which are still damaging and dangerous winds to be outside. Just talked to one of the managers here at the hotel, and he was saying people are trying to leave the hotel. There's no place to go. Everything is closed. There's no power, and many of the streets have flooding. Not so much from the surge, but just from the heavy rain we've seen. Even by our hotel, there are a couple of streets that have easily a foot to maybe 2 or 3 feet of water covering portions of that roadway just simply because of all the heavy rain coming down. Again, the heavy rain and the winds are now washing debris into some of the storm drains, so difficult for that water to drain out of some of the streets. That's why we have some street flooding around here as well. But the good news is the sky is as light as it's been all day long, and we'll see a slow improvement of weather conditions as we head throughout today. But again, shelter in place until tomorrow. After sunrise, we start seeing a better weather conditions to get out and survey some of the damage. While Maria continues to move away from Puerto Rico, another concern for the northeastern U.S., Maria, is what's going on with now Tropical Storm Jose. You have more on that.
Absolutely, Paul. And it's a strong tropical storm, still with winds of about 70 miles per hour. And you can see what it's doing. It's not raging on the coast.
Okay, so that's it. Let me know if there's anything else that can be helpful, you guys.
East Hampton, New York there on the right.